Breaking news, Boxabl has opened up a public crowdfund on April 1st and they were able to raise $5 million in under 12 hours.
You're joking.
That's it, that's the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Irina. I'm a real estate agent in Oregon, and here on my channel we discuss all of the latest news and developments in the world of real estate, prefab tiny homes, the workforce, and the economy at large. I do also love to share the behind the scenes of my life through vlogs. I have a whole playlist dedicated to those videos on my channel, so if any of that sounds interesting to you, be sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a future upload. All right, let's get into what this video is all about. I'm so excited to talk about this with you guys. I got an email yesterday, which was Friday, April 1st, from invest@boxabl.com, and it says, "Hi, our new crowdfund offer is now live. The general public can buy shares in Boxabl for 80 cents each," and then it has a link for me to go and invest. So this is incredibly exciting because up until this point, only accredited investors could invest in the company, and the minimum amount was $10,000. So this is really huge for regular people like you and me who believe in the company to finally have an opportunity to invest early.
This is it. This is my chance.
Now, this is probably a good time to say that this is not financial advice of any kind. I encourage you to do your own research if you're considering investing in this company yourself. So this is what the email looks like here on my end. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link, and I'm going to choose Regulation A crowdfunding offer. This is for everyone. There is also the accredited offering option, but that is not for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, the minimum investment amount is $1,000, which is what I will be investing today. I might invest more in the future, not quite sure yet, but today I'm just gonna stick with that $1,000. I will be investing as an individual. I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to share with you guys because there is a lot of personal information on here, but I'll just record everything and then cut out the information that you don't need to see. I've put in my address, my date of birth, social security number, all of those details in the first step, which is investor information. Step 2 has you put in your credit card information. So again, that is not something that you guys need to see. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that out real quick. I wanted to show you guys this really quick. So it's got my credit card information right down there. And up here you can see that I'm investing $1,000, but they've actually rounded it to the nearest 100 shares. So I'm investing $1,040 for 1,300 shares. Okay, your investment has been submitted. Well, you guys will see on the screen, but it had like this confetti thing. Okay, well, I don't know why I'm acting like this is such a big deal. I mean, it is a big deal. $1,000 is a lot of money, right? So it says right here, your investment has been submitted. If you are paying by check or wire transfer, instructions for sending funds will be sent to the email address you provided. But that does not apply to me because I paid with a credit card, so that should be drawn from my account in the next couple days. And I should have been, they just sent me an email. I got a notification on my phone, so we'll look at that as well. And it's signed Paolo Tiramani, who is one of the 2 founders of the company. So there you have it, you guys. I just invested in Boxabl. So they did send me an email. It says investment commitment complete. I'm not gonna screen record it because it has like my address on here and everything, but it's official. Let me actually see if they've taken it out of my bank account yet. I don't know if they would have been that fast, but let's just double check. Yeah, they've drawn the funds already. Well, it says pending, but I can see that $1,040 was taken out of my checking account. Before I sign off, I wanted to share a few other important updates with you guys regarding Boxabl. Galliano did an Instagram live on Boxabl's Instagram account yesterday at around 7 p.m. I know I missed the first few minutes of it, but I got on early enough to catch some important information. I have all of my notes here in front of me. So something that I was really hoping to hear about was their military contract, because as you guys know, if you've been watching my Boxabl Casita videos, Boxabl's first customer is the US government. They had a military contract that they had to fulfill before actually providing homes to the general public. On Facebook, they have been posting that they've been sending casitas out, and I got a little bit excited because I thought they were sending them out to, you know, just regular people like you and me, but that was actually part of their military contract. But thankfully, Galliano said on the Instagram live yesterday that they have 20 houses left of that military contract. So after those 20 houses, they are going to begin fulfilling that wait list, the super long wait list, which brings me to my next point. The last time I talked about this with you guys, I said that they had 70,000 plus people on their wait list. That was my last known number. Galliano said on the live yesterday that they now have 90,000 plus people on that wait list. And I've been saying for the last couple months that I don't expect to receive my casita for another 1 to 2 years. And he said on the live yesterday that they will probably be able to knock out that wait list within the next few years. Those were his words. So I'm not even like disappointed or anything, because that was what I was expecting. They only have that one factory right now. I'm not in a rush to receive my casita because it won't be my primary residence, but it was definitely good to get an update from him, knowing now that there are 90,000 plus people on that wait list, and it will take them a few years to get that wait list knocked out. I'm just glad that, you know, now I know that more or less for sure, because before I was just kind of speculating, but now he has said it himself. He did say that they have a new factory in the plans, and right when I got on the live, he had mentioned how many homes they will be able to crank out in the new factory. So I'm not sure exactly what it is, and I don't think he has the live saved on his profile. If you caught it before I did, leave it in the comments down below. But he says they are planning on getting a few more factories out, and they are working on new products as well. Because again, currently they're just offering that one casita, the 375 square foot home, but they are working on more products, which is really exciting. He also mentioned that he believes that their technology can support building 1 house per minute, which is absolutely insane to think about. It really is revolutionary. And that's why a lot of people are so interested in this company, myself included. They are bringing something completely new to the table, which is why so many people believe in the company and why so many people have already invested to the point where they've raised millions of dollars in less than 24 hours. He did say that he will be doing more lives in the future. Yesterday was his very first Instagram live, so I'm looking forward to more of them where he will be able to, you know, answer questions in real time. Although I will say I am pretty satisfied with their response time. I've emailed them before about questions with my order, and they've gotten back to me in less than 24 hours. So that's really great as well. Honestly, all green flags so far with Boxabl. It is kind of a bummer that we'll be having to wait a while to receive our casitas, but you know what? They're on it. They're getting more factories built out, and there are a lot of people that believe in the company and that are investing. So I believe the future really is bright for Boxabl. Let me know if you've invested in Boxabl as well, and if you're open to sharing how much you've invested, I'd love to hear that too. Really excited to hear all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. If you'd like to see more of my life behind the scenes, follow me over on Instagram. My username is @IrinaD. And of course, you guys know that I am a real estate agent in the state of Oregon. If you or anyone you know have any home buying, selling, or investing needs, all of my contact information is in the description box down below. I'd love to hear from you and help you achieve your home goals. Other than that, I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye!